actions. Say them out loud, and we will forgive you. We will always forgive you. You deserve a second chance, and everyone deserves a second chance. So come on here and apologize for everything you have done, and we will forgive you. Always remember, if you come up and apologize, we will forgive you. So don't worry.